Hello guys, today I got my new mic. Alright, what is he building? Is that an AFK form? Wait, let me join him real quick. Alright guys, let me join. This video will be kinda short because I'm just testing my mic. Wait, let me see what is he doing? He is doing nothing. Wait, this is not hollow. Oh, W. Alright. Let me like the server. This is 256 dynamites. Alright, this is gonna lag me too. Why am I lagging so bad? I didn't even activate it. Wait, who is that? Play like simple. Who is that? Wait, let me see. Play like simple. What? Who is this guy? Who is that guy? Okay. I think he built a bridge. Shout out to him. Okay, guys. We are going to lag the server. Hope my team is going to be not empty. Alright guys. Okay guys, let's lag the server in 3, 2, 1. Alright. What's happening? Hey yo. What? There's the sound, but why is the screen not moving? Oh, what just happened? What did they just chat? Alright. Alright guys. And guys, I am gonna wear this for a while. What are they chatting about? Okay. I think I need to do it again. I hope I like him out. This thing looked for a while, not gonna lie. Let me see what's good. I think let me see. There's nothing to buy. Oh, let's lag the server again. 3, 2, 1. What's happening? Alright, the screen froze. And what's happening? I'm lagging. That sounded like a nuke. What's wait, are they building an AFK farm? I will ask if I can join. Alright guys, I will say, can I join? Or I'll say that I got a new mic so you can hear me. Why does this look familiar? Wait, what? Oh, it's an AFK farm. I thought it was just a bridge. Wow. This AFK farm is thick too. Wait, what? Um, uh, it flung me to, it flung me. It flamed me. It flung me to the side. It flung me to the side. Okay. This is a very cool AFK farm. You need a lot of blocks to do this. This is not easy to make, but if you have a lot of blocks, it's super easy to make. No, you should not remake it. It's good. It's good. Wait, I messed up there. But that's fine. I hope he understands it. This is a cool AFK farm. Why am I moving so slow? No, I did not get the gold block. No. Okay, guys. And that's it for today's video. See ya, guys. I am Among Us today. I will dress up as this for like 2 days. Alright, you will see 4 videos of me being in Among Us, or 2 videos. Wait, what? Who just shot me? Okay, that's it for today, guys. See ya.